from Avery Lane Sewing, and I wanted to share with you a little trick in making pleats. If you have a ruffler presser foot, making pleats is really easy, placing the ruffler on one so it pleats every stitch and along stitch length, then you can make teeny pleats for your doll dresses. But if you don't, here's another way. You actually need a plastic fork, and you remove two of the prongs so that you have two narrow prongs to work with. So let me show you how this is done, and you'll see how easy and fun it is. Start by placing your fabric under the presser foot and start sewing a little. Then take your fork and put the needle down in and lift the presser foot. And you're going to slide the fabric in between the two prongs and turn it and tuck it under, and then use the fork to hold it steady and sew to the middle. Stop and do the same thing again, turning the fabric, folding it under, keeping the raw edges together and even. Sew to the midway point, lift the presser foot, keeping the needle down, slide, turn and tuck, adjust the edges to be even, and sew to the middle. And you keep doing this and create pleats all the way across the fabric or whatever you need. And with practice, you can get really good at this, creating really even pleats and faster, and it saves you a lot of time, and your teeny pleats will look awesome. So you just keep repeating as long as you need to finish your piece of fabric, and that's all there is to it. Let me show you what great pleats those are, and in no time at all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you join me again for some more fun sewing videos and tutorials on AveryLaneSewing.com. Thanks.